How good does this look? Super thin, golden, perfection. And can you believe it? It's sourdough. Let me show you how to make it. You're going to start by adding your ingredients to a blender, melted and cooled butter, flour, sugar, a little bit of salt. And for our liquid, we're going to do milk and water, a couple of eggs, and of course, some sourdough starter. Blend for a few seconds and then stop the machine, scrape down the sides, and check to see if there are any lumps stuck to the bottom. Chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour or overnight. Once your pan is nice and hot and the butter starts to sizzle, add the batter and then lift up the pan, tilt it around a few times so that the batter evenly coats the bottom. This side needs to cook until the center is completely set. So you'll see little bubbles forming. But if it looks still wet in certain spots, you cannot flip this or else it's going to tear when you do it. So just be patient, reduce your heat if you have to so it doesn't burn underneath, and let it fully cook through. Okay, so before I flip, I like to peek underneath to see. And if you can see that that's nice and golden brown. And I'm going to do this really slow so you can really understand the technique. Watch. I can actually slip my entire spatula underneath here, like that. So this one that I made earlier is obviously a little bit darker, which is how I like them. And this one is lighter because I'm playing around with the heat to show you the different variations. Look at that. You see how light that is? Rather it be on the lighter side with a dialed down heat so that you can control it. And then when you're comfortable, raise it so you can get that really nice dark color. So run your spatula underneath the sides to release. Okay, very easy if you have a nonstick pan. Then we're going to take a peek to see what the underneath looks like. You see that? I like it a little bit more brown, so I'm going to keep it there. I'm going to flip it. To do this, okay, lift up a little, stick your spatula underneath, lift it up. I wanted to show you my impulse buy real quick. It's a traditional crepe spatula from France, made from olive wood, and I wasn't able to get under the crepe easily because the spatula was too thick, whereas my rubber spatula worked a lot easier because of its flexible sides. But it does a great job at flipping. So play around with both tools. Get my crepe spatula underneath. So I'm just going to try one. Normally you can put whipped cream and berries and all the things inside, but just like that. Look at that inside. They're light, they're tender, they're crispy, they're perfect. They're actually really good. Go make it. Go make it. Go make it. How good does this look?